Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money to Mercury Bank. First, log in to your Mercury dashboard. In the top right corner, click Move Money. Then select Transfer. Enter the amount, then choose the accounts you want to transfer from and to. If you need to add a new external bank, scroll down and click Link a bank account. Use the played pop-up to find your bank and enter your login details. If your bank doesn't appear, it may not be supported by Mercury. Transfers between Mercury accounts at the same partner bank usually take just a few minutes. Transfers between partner banks can take 1 to 3 business days. Transfers between Mercury and an external bank may take 3 to 5 business days. This applies to US banks only. For international banks, you'll need to use a wire transfer. And that's it. That's how to transfer money to Mercury Bank. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.